Today, I am reviewing MINIX Z97 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MINIX Z97 Mini PC is a compact powerhouse designed to bring desktop-level performance in a tiny form factor. Measuring just 3.5 by 3.5 by 1.65 inches and weighing only 180 grams, it redefines what a mini computer can do. Despite its small size, it's packed with features that make it perfect for business, home, and educational use. At the heart of the Z97 is the Intel Alder Lake N97 processor, a quad-core CPU clocked up to 3.6 GHz. This chip delivers between 20 to 40% better performance compared to earlier mini PCs with N100 or N95 processors. Whether you're browsing the web, editing documents, running productivity apps, or streaming content, this processor provides smooth performance. It handles multitasking without lag, making it ideal for office work or digital signage solutions. What makes the MINIX Z97 stand out is its dual LAN ports combined with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 support. This ensures consistent high-speed connections whether wired or wireless. For anyone who relies on stable internet, from remote workers to small businesses, this feature is invaluable. You can connect multiple devices without interruption, ensuring productivity stays smooth and reliable. The Z97 supports triple display output in 4K resolution, thanks to two HDMI 2.0 ports and a DisplayPort 1.4 connection. This allows you to extend your workspace across 3 monitors, ideal for multitasking and increasing efficiency. Imagine running spreadsheets on one screen, a video conference on another, and reference material on the third, all seamlessly without slowdown. Inside, the Z97 comes equipped with 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and a 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD. This combination makes for a responsive experience with fast load times, even when dealing with large files or heavy multitasking. And if you need more storage, the device offers expansion options to add up to 1 TB more via an M.2 slot, giving you plenty of room for documents, software, and media files. Cooling is another area where the Z97 impresses. It uses high-efficiency heat pipes, a large heatsink, and a centrifugal fan design, keeping noise levels under 30 decibels. That means you can work, watch movies, or game in peace without distracting fan noise, making it ideal for quiet office environments or home use. From a design perspective, the MINIX Z97 is a masterclass in portability. Its compact size allows it to be placed almost anywhere, on your desk, mounted behind a monitor with the included Visa mount, or tucked away in a small corner. It also supports features like Auto Power On, RDC Wake Up, and Wake On LAN, making it easy to integrate into business workflows or automation setups. In terms of connectivity, this mini PC has a lot to offer. 3 USB ports, dual LAN, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi ensure you can connect all your essential peripherals. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, offering a secure, modern operating system with advanced business and productivity features. Overall, the MINIX Z97 Mini PC delivers impressive performance for its size. It's powerful enough for office tasks, multimedia, light gaming, and educational purposes, while still being ultra-compact and energy-efficient. It's a perfect solution for anyone looking for a flexible, portable PC that doesn't compromise on power. Whether for home offices, classrooms, digital signage, or business environments, the MINIX Z97 offers an exceptional balance of performance, connectivity, and compact design. If you want a mini PC that truly delivers both versatility and power, this is a device worth considering.